Hey there, savvy travelers! Are you tired of spending too much on flights and hotels when you could be traveling for free? Stick around, because today, we're diving into the top 15 credit cards for travel rewards in 2025 that can transform your next trip into a luxurious adventure without breaking the bank. Ready to maximize your travel game? Let's jump in. Travel rewards credit cards are a game changer. Whether you're a globe-trotter or just looking to save on your annual vacation, the right card can offer you free flights, hotel stays, airport lounge access, and so much more. But with so many options, how do you know which card is right for you? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll break down the top 15 credit cards for travel rewards in 2025, explaining their perks, fees, and ideal users. Let's dive into the details. 1. Key features to look for. Before we get into the list, let's quickly talk about what makes a travel rewards card worth it. Look for these key features. High sign-up bonuses. Many cards offer 50,000 plus points when you meet a minimum spend within the first few months. Generous points. Earning rates. Look for multipliers on travel, dining, or everyday spending. Low or no foreign transaction fees. Essential for international travelers. Travel perks. Airport lounge access, priority boarding, free checked bags, and travel insurance can save you hundreds. Got it? Alright, now, let's dive into the top cards. 2. The top 15 cards for travel rewards in 2025. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. A traveler's favorite. Get 60,000 bonus points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. Points are worth 25% more when redeemed for travel. Capital One Venture X Rewards Card. Earn unlimited 2x miles on all purchases and 10x on hotels and car rentals booked through Capital One Travel. American Express Gold Card. Perfect for foodies and travelers. Earn 4x points at restaurants and on groceries, plus a solid welcome bonus. City Premier Card. Earn 3x points on air travel, hotels, and dining. Plus, transfer points to travel partners for even more value. The Platinum Card from American Express. Luxury at its best. 5x points on flights and hotels. $200 in annual airline fee credits, and access to the Centurion Lounge. Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card. No annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and flexible travel rewards. Discover it miles. Simple and reward. Earn unlimited 1.5x miles on every dollar and no annual fee. Marriott Bonvoy Boundless Credit Card. Ideal for hotel lovers. Earn points that can be redeemed for free stays at Marriott properties. Hilton Honors American Express Surpass Card. Perfect for Hilton enthusiasts with free weekend night rewards and gold status. United Club Infinite Card. Frequent United Flyers will love this card for its lounge access and free checked bags. Southwest Rapid Rewards Priority Credit Card. Southwest fans can rack up points quickly and enjoy perks like early boarding. Delta SkyMiles Reserve American Express Card. Luxury perks for Delta travelers, including companion certificates and lounge access. Barclays Advantage Aviator Red World Elite MasterCard. Best for American Airlines loyalists. Earn miles effortlessly. World of Hyatt Credit Card. Earn free nights faster with Hyatt points and enjoy elite status perks. Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card. A must-have for business owners who want to earn travel rewards on their expenses. 3. How to choose the right card for you. Now that we've covered the top cards, how do you choose the best one for you? Here are 3 tips. Match your spending habits. If you spend a lot on dining, choose a card with high rewards in that category. Consider your travel style. Love hotels? Go for a co-branded card like Marriott or Hyatt. Prefer flexibility? Opt for general rewards cards like Chase Sapphire. Evaluate annual fees. Don't be scared off by high fees. Many premium cards offer perks that far outweigh the cost. So there you have it, the top 3 travel rewards credit cards for 2025. With the right card in your wallet, you can turn everyday spending into unforgettable travel experiences. Which card are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a money-saving tip. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!